I'm doing it. Definitely got some snow last night. All the firewood's covered in snow. Yay. All right. Man, you can really hear the wind now. The snow insulates the sound so much, you just couldn't hear how loud it was. It's really roaring out here. Man, the snow's still coming down pretty good. I don't want to get all wet. I think I'm just gonna bust the stove out and cook under the awning. I got a muffin here. You want to eat a muffin? Little trick for melting snow. You gotta put a little water in the bottom of the pan or you'll melt your pot. There, it doesn't take much, but